Good afternoon. My name is Nate Barker with Ladicrete, and this is Troy Wicks. Hey, what we're doing today is a product training. We're putting down a Spartacote Pure, which is a double broadcast quartz system using our polyaspartic material. The process we did was we put down a pigmented base coat and broadcast quartz directly into it, followed by a second coat of the same clear polyaspartic, which we did a second broadcast into. We will then be finishing it with two top coats of our Spartaflex Pure polyaspartic.
Grind the concrete surface to an iCry CSP2 to 3. Mix 2-part polyaspartic material together and pour a ribbon of the coating onto the surface. Broom the material with a squeegee or Spartacote broom. Backroll the material in a perpendicular fashion. Broadcast the quartz media to rejection. Blow off excess quartz with a leaf blower. Mix 2-part polyaspartic clear coating with a slow drill mixer. Pour a ribbon of material onto the surface and push using a squeegee. Backroll the material in a perpendicular fashion. Perform the second quartz broadcast onto the surface to rejection. Blow off excess quartz from the surface. Apply the grout coat or final top coat to the surface and push using a squeegee. Backroll the material in a perpendicular fashion. The surface is ready for foot traffic in 2 hours.